Welcome back, GAT test taker. In this video, we're going to do module test 11. Ritaj, the floor is yours.
Okay, number one, cavity and filling. I chose B, cancer and chemo.
Perfect. Cancer and chemo. We use chemo to treat cancer. Like filling sometimes is a good way for cavity.
Number two, heart and love.
Yeah. This
I,
is one quality of the heart is to love, like
um, I originally went with B, but it doesn't make sense.
you know, it makes all the sense here. Look, this is something, this is something. And this is one of its equality, and this is one of its equality. Bravery is a quality of the lion. Lion is known for being brave, like our hearts, especially good hearts, show love and good feelings towards people. But the others actually don't make sense. If you look at the other options here, book and shelf, there are two objects here, food and seeds, two objects, knowledge and nutrition. Even this is not a quality here. So I have to go to B. Okay. 3, argue and
Okay,
discuss the synonyms.
I chose B.
Yeah, like nibble and eat. Nibble to eat in small amounts. Bake a cake. We bake a cake. Like,
I chose C.
yeah, we code a program. Orange is a type of citrus. So this is a type. This is one thing and this is its type.
I chose B.
Yeah, laptop is a type of computers. Good, perfect. Now let's go to the sentence completion. Sandy's mate proved to be a gentleman. He opened doors, paid for dinner, and even called her a taxi ride home.
B.
Yeah, genuine, true gentleman. Unlike the hair of her dog, Sam's horse has hair, making it easier to groom.
Curly and straight.
Curly and straight, perfect. Unlike, this is a keyword here. We show opposite ideas. Despite her childish antics made Jenna appear.
Um, uh,
You know students' behavior in classrooms? These are called antics, misbehavior, acting like a child. I will tell you one of the antics that happened with me last year. I don't know why, but once a student tried to unplug the screen before I stepped inside the classroom. They thought that I would get nervous and I would shout, but I didn't do anything. They repeated this antic again and again, but they didn't see any reaction from me. Quietly, I plugged it in and I started my lesson, even or as if I hadn't seen anything. So they stopped doing that. So this is one of the antics. So despite her advanced, come on, I made
um,
things easier for you.
8. I chose.
Age, perfect, yeah, immature. Because the students actually relish seeing the teacher's anger and when he loses his temper, but I don't give them this opportunity. Anyways, 9, drug addiction can be very
9. I
uh,
chose A.
yeah, destructive here. Destructive. Some people believe that water becomes,
Holy.
yeah, holy if it's blessed through prayer. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
now let's jump straight to the contextual error. The team played the soccer games at the new stadium and won 3 meals. 3 meals.
Number B. B.
3 matches, yeah, good. 3. The flowers were dying in the spring sunshine. How comes?
12. B. 9.
Dying, good. they blossom, by the way. They blossom in summer, in spring. If you received 100% on a test, inshallah, Ritaj is gonna make that. That mean that all your answers were incomplete?
B, incomplete.
Yeah, complete and correct. Our teacher asked us to turn back to the next page. How come turn back to the next page?
Turn, B.
Yeah. No. The problem here, look here, turn back. But okay, what would you like to replace it with?
Mm,
Well, yeah, look. If you say that turn back, you want to replace it with go back, but go back to the
ضم.
next.
It
I
doesn't
can. Yeah, it does not make sense here because I can't change back. If you need to go forward, next page, you need to change back. But back, I cannot change it because it's not underlined here. So I would leave this turn and I will go to the next. I will go to the previous. So this one here does not fit the context.
C.
Okay? Because really I cannot change back. Turn. Okay, what would I say? Turn, go back, fly back, jump back. Still give the same meaning. Good?
Yes.
Okay, so one mistake here. Some children's shyness may need them to become isolated and anti-Semitic. Anti-Semitic adults.
15, I chose D.
D, yeah, not anti-Semitic. We say antisocial. Antisocial, yeah, or anti-social adults, not anti-Semitic. This is something about the Jew. We have nothing to do with this. Okay, now let's jump straight to find the different one.
Okay.
Okay,
16, I also chose C.
find a different one here.
C.
So, yeah, you go for driver. Good. Find a different one here.
17, I chose A.
Meals. Yeah, you choose 17 here. You go for
Ink.
A, ankle. Good.
18, I chose B. Garlic.
Of course. Yeah, garlic here. It's not a fruit.
19, I chose B.
Yeah, meadow. Meadow, this is, yeah, I think it looks like a place, a larger place with grass and some plants, but not a lot of trees. But a stream, lake, and sea, their waterways. Find the different one here.
20, I chose A.
Yeah,
Onion.
yeah, 20 here. You choose A,
Yes.
onion. Why? How did you tackle this question? Fruit and vegetable, right?
Yeah, it's B. Apricot.
So B here, apricot here, this is fruit. But carrot, potato, onion, they belong to the vegetable. Clear?
Yes.
So, okay, I think you thought you tackle this question in terms of taste. You think that onion, but potato and carrot, they don't taste the same, by the way. So here, the easiest way is fruit and vegetable. Apricot, fruit, the others are vegetable. When you choose a different one, you must make sure that the other options can be categorized in one type, can be grouped, or can be combined together in one group. So I really can combine all of those in one group, which is the group of vegetable. But if you take onion, do you think that we can group potato, carrot, and apricot in one type or in one group?
No.
No. Okay, so this is a problem here. After you pick the different one, make sure that you can set the other options in one group. If you're not able to do so, there might be a mistake in grouping and choosing the different one. Good. Grouping, you choose a different one and you group the others. So I'm gonna write the note here. Choose the different or the odd and group the others. Don't forget to take that step. If they're grouped, okay, so you're right. Now let's move to the reading comprehension.
Number 21, I chose B.
Yeah, walnut trees. It talks about this one. Okay, I need to say again, if you haven't read the passage very well, you can stop the video here, read carefully, then go back to the questions again. But now we're going to jump straight to the questions. So number one here, it's about walnut trees. What is the main idea of the passage?
22, I choose D.
Yeah, B,
Yeah.
maple trees.
D.
D, yeah, walnut trees are valuable when planted correctly. Perfect. So listen here, I need to show something. We've got a topic and we've got a main idea. What is the difference between the topic and the main idea? For example, let me tell you that let's imagine that I'm writing a paragraph, and I started my paragraph by writing Ritaj, okay, is the best GAT test, okay, candidate, okay. So this is called a topic sentence. A topic sentence actually is the first sentence of the paragraph. So it consists of two things. The best GAT candidate, this is called the main idea. The main idea, which is this one. But what is the topic? This one here. Why? Because I can say that Ritaj is the best friend. So what is the topic here? The topic is Ritaj. But what is the main idea? Ritaj is the best friend. So here, this is the difference between the topic and the main idea. Clear?
Yes.
So the topic here, the topic is the main topic, but the main idea is what you're going to discuss about this topic. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next,
20.
as used in the passage, the underlined word abrasive most nearly means
A. Rough.
rough. Yeah, perfect. The author of the passage here probably believes that
People should grow walnuts if possible.
people should grow walnut trees if possible. The word exude means
Give
when,
off.
give off. When I say that, for example, Ritaj exudes a lot of confidence, a lot of bravery. So in that way, I'm gonna say that she shows that. Okay, perfect. So just one mistake here, right? In
The contextual error. 1.
just one, good. Yeah, good job. 24, 24, 23, 23, 24. We need to hit the 25, please. Okay? You've hit it many times. Okay, I'm gonna stop here.